When it comes to great skin and a great skincare routine that's going to work well, it always starts with how you clean or cleanse your skin. And there are unlimited choices when it comes to skin cleansers. I talk a lot about those here on the channel and the things you need to look out for to make sure your cleanser is working for you very, very well. For instance, your skin should never feel dry, tight, or squeaky clean. Even if you're acne prone or super oily, never should ever feel that way. If it does, your skin's going to try to produce more oil to compensate, which is going to cause more problems. And if you have dryness of any kind, stripping too much of your natural moisture and oil out of your skin is going to cause extra dryness that leads to dull, sallow skin, enlarged looking pores, and it makes fine lines and wrinkles look worse. So I'm always happy to share with you advances in formulations in skincare products specifically for cleansing of the skin, because again, as I said, it is the number one thing. It's where we start, the clean slate, the canvas, to make sure the other products that we're using are able to work their best. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a brand new cleanser, one from City Beauty, called Gentle Glow Nourishing Cleanser. Now this is a jelly type cleanser. It's a clarifying cleanser, but it's deeply moisturizing and works extremely well in balancing out the cleansing process with your skin's own natural biome, moisture levels, and of course, oil production. It is able to remove excess oil, dirt, bacteria, and cosmetics, so it works as a makeup remover and cleanser in one. Now, when it comes to my channel, as always, it's about the ingredients in the formulation and how well they work over brand name and price. And I really do like this particular formulation for a variety of reasons. And first, that is because it contains salicylic acid and niacinamide. Niacinamide, an anti-inflammatory for your skin, also helps with redness and balancing out oil production. And that salicylic acid is a type of skincare acid, a beta hydroxy acid, that actually sinks down into the pore and helps to dissolve any dead skin cells and hardened oil or sebum in that pore that could end up blocking the pore or making the pore look larger than it should. And also, of course, contributing to things like acne, breakouts, and blackheads. Salicylic acid also helps break down those oils that are in cosmetics and other skincare products, helping to remove them from your skin without overstripping it. They've also included a healthy dose of ceramides. Those are lipids that are needed by your skin's barrier to protect itself from outside elements, also trapping moisture in the skin and keeping it there. And one of the most exciting things to me about the formula is it contains lactobacillus. And if that sounds sort of familiar to you, that's because it is a skin biome building, very friendly to your skin, probiotic. They've also included apple fruit extract and black leaf extract, powerful antioxidants that are going to help resolve the signs of skin aging, preventing further oxidation of your skin cells because they're packed with vitamins C and E, both two vitamins we talk a lot about here on the channel when it comes to healthy skin. The cleanser is gentle enough to use morning and night. Again, it's great at removing excess oil, dirt, bacteria, and cosmetics. And like all cleansers, you want to apply it to dampen skin. So I'm going to dampen my skin. Takes just a couple of pumps of this jelly cleanser. I'm going to swirl that into my skin, giving it a couple of minutes to dissolve oil and other skincare products that I have on my skin, especially sunscreen. And then you just rinse it off and pat your skin dry, and it's ready for your next round of skincare products. It's a really great formula. It's left my skin looking bright and clean and very, very hydrated. And City Beauty provides a healthy amount of this product, 5 fluid ounces, to help you get cleaner, healthier, biome, and barrier strong skin. I will put a link down below in the video description box where you can go read about this new product that I just reviewed for yourself. Should you end up deciding to use this particular product, please come back to this video and let us know how it worked for you in the comments. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that I picked out for you next. Thank you for watching today and supporting my work. I really do appreciate you. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.